Molly was the only little girl on her street, but when she was 8 years old, another girl came to live in the house opposite hers, and her name was Joan. Joan had 2 brothers. They soon began to play together after school. One day Joan went to Molly's house. She said to her friend,
"Hi, Molly. Will you come to my house to play? I have got a nice new game."
Molly answered,
"I am sorry, Joan. But my mother won't let me play with you today." "Because your brother George has a bad cold and she does not want me to get it, too."
Joan answered quickly,
"Oh, that's all right, Molly. George is not really my brother. He is my stepbrother."